Oga, who do you think you're talking to? Are you trying to look for directions or what?
No, I actually want to.
Please, I'm not those small girls you used to chase on the road. Okay?
Please, just relax. Please relax. Yes, how are you? My name is Jerome, and trust me when I say I like what I see and I'd like to know you better.
Hey,
you know.
Oga.
Yes.
I'm not 20. I'm not 30. What are you looking for with me?
Everything. I like what I see. I mean, you tickle my fancy, and of course, I want your number so we can talk on the phone.
I have a grown-up son. A big boy. Man. He's taller than you, self. Do you still want my number? You don't want the number again, Abi?
Excellent. Excellento. This is, I mean, you're just perfect. You're what I want. You're what I desire, really.
Oh, okay. I have financial needs.
Financial needs?
Yes, plenty financial needs. Do you still want my number?
It's okay. Of course I need your number. I don't want it. I need it. So why don't you get into the car? Let's talk a whole lot more. Huh?
This one is not okay.
Hey, come on. Don't be like that. Come on. Hey. Monica, what's wrong with you? What's all this now? Eh? Have you gone bonkers? Is something wrong with you? I mean, didn't you hear me horning at the gate? And you're here washing these filthy clothes? For what reason? At this time, when you should be manning the gate?
Shit. See as they talk like say you be big man. Person will go here and go to say a better person they talk. You don't even forget my name. You call me Polycarp.
Hello? That's what you supposed to answer. Your name is supposed to be Polycarp. Polycarp. If I call you Polycarp, you answer Polycarp, idiot. Tell you say me and you know be the same thing.
See, man, I tell you, this big man is the way they practice. It no go work for you.
You dey craze. Why no go work?
See as you wear all that clothes, wear everything. They form big man. See the Polycarp. You use bunkers. What is bunkers?
What you dey do for here? We don't be get supposed to.
Big man for 50, but unfortunate.
Unfortunately, waiting.
It is not destined for you to be rich.
God go put you
Celebrate your poverty.
You decrease. That's devil self go celebrate your poverty. You're mad.
Okay, Oga still dey hungry you. See the claim
Now, brother house be this. Now, brother house be this.
You know the shame.
Get away.
You know they see grey hair for your baby. They say, my brother, your junior brother. Shame on you.
Get away. Your junior or your senior. Get this kind of house. My friend, come open gate. No, tell me nonsense.
I will not open it.
Go open gate.
I will try it. Say it's still a claim, Oga. If you bring that motor inside, bounce like Oga. Go inside, and you will be Oga.
I mean, come open gate.
What?
Come open gate.
What am I doing me? What am I doing me? They claim Oga.
Polycarp.
You don't defy you there. Don't defy you. Who is Polycarp?
Polycarp.
I will kill you, idiot. I will never open that gate until you call me my real name, Polycarp.
Polycarp.
You remain there.
Polycarp open gate. I beg.
Poor man, call and where?
Polycarp open gate. Polycarp.
Call and complete.
Polycarp open gate. I beg.
You know what I'm big man overnight. Oh.
Big bro.
You're back?
Yeah, I just got back like some 30 minutes ago.
I'm shocked though. But you said you were going to be in Port Harcourt and you won't come back until 4 days.
True. You know what we went to do, it just took like 2 days. So immediately we were done, I just decided to come back. Yeah. By the way, you look great. This is one of the outfits from the tailor, the new ones that he brought, right? The oversized one that he brought for me.
Yes.
They fit in so perfectly on you. I mean, and I believe that this is the way every other one will fit in on you. So I think you should have them.
Are you serious?
Yes. Because of course, what am I going to do with them? So you should just have them. I will just talk to him to make new ones for me with the perfect measurement.
Hey, brotherly. Brother, thank you so much. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Great. Big man.
Please make I take this one and defeat devil now.
Very rich man.
I mean, I'm taking after you now. See what you dashed me now. This one last December. You know now.
Of course, they look great on you. They look so great. I'm happy at least the money was not wasted.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy. By the way, please.
Yes.
Can you just sit so we can talk? Yeah, something came up.
All right.
Yeah, something came up. You see,
Okay.
By next week I'll be traveling back to the UK.
Huh?
Yeah, next week.
But you just came back from UK now.
Yeah, something actually came up that my presence is needed in the UK urgently.
Wait, I hope there's no emergency.
No.
Nothing wrong with your children.
No, far from that. Everyone is fine.
You're sure?
Very perfect.
You don't have problem with police?
No, no, not at all. Everything is fine. But you see,
Okay.
there's this contract that I've been seriously working on.
Okay.
And as God would have it, I just got the contract.
Oh.
And my attention is needed urgently. But the happy thing is that I would spend more time with my family this time around. Yeah.
So,
this time around, actually, I would stay longer than the usual before I return back to the country again.
longer, like how long now?
Let's say 2-3 years.
2-3 years?
Yeah.
You stay there?
Yeah, because my attention is needed. So I would stay there like 2 years, 3 years. And even if I would come back, I would just spend like, say 1 week or 2 weeks, then I'll return. Yeah, but you don't have to worry. Anytime I'm coming back, I'll definitely call you and let you know that I'll be coming back.
Of course. But what about all your properties now and this house? What of Polly? Polly, how will he survive now if you lock up this place now and go? Where will he walk? How will he?
No. It's no problem. I never said, that's part of the reason for this conversation. You are managing other properties, right?
Yes.
So now this house, what I want is for you to still add this to the ones you've been managing. Of course, we'll return Polycarp. He's a nice guy.
Guy. Sometimes, yes. He's a nice guy. But he can be a handful.
Of course.
He can be a handful sometimes.
He's a nice guy. So we'll return him.
Okay.
So what I want is for you to please kindly get cleaners from time to time. Come here, clean up this place. Because the house is big. Okay. So they should clean it up. Then the cars, you should warm them. Probably drive them around so that you can warm them properly. So that if I'm coming back maybe with my family, everywhere will not look deserted.
All right.
We'll not have any issues.
Okay. No problem. So I should take care of all your properties, eh?
Yes, lest I forget, please. The property by the airport.
That one that Mr. Balogun is inside, that Yoruba man. There is no how that man will not leave that place. That man that keeps disrespecting me.
Yeah.
I've told him he must leave now.
Yeah.
Yes, 2 months he will go.
I sold the property.
You say?
Yes. Because of the lots of issues coming from that property, I just decided to sell it off so that everyone can hold their peace.
So this man has missed my trap.
Yes. You don't make anything out of troubles. You don't understand. So what I'm planning to do is the new estate by the roadside, close to the filling station that they are just finishing on.
Okay.
The new estate.
Okay.
So I want to get like say 2-3 properties in there to make up for that one.
Okay.
So let's just let that man be with his
No
issues.
problem. This man, that man, eh?
Yeah,
but no problem. So you said everywhere.
Apart from that one, every other one are still intact. Your normal routine, take care of everyone.
Yes.
But this one, you should come around here. In fact, sometimes you can spend the weekend here.
You say?
Yeah, spend some days here so that it can feel lively. So that it can feel like a place where people stay. So that by the time we come back, it wouldn't look deserted, like I said.
All right.
The cars, most especially, you need to drive them around.
I need to drive them.
Yes.
But I don't really need the car. Nothing now. Those cars are good cars now. You can keep them for 3 years now.
Please, you are doing this for me. You are helping me with all these things.
There's no problem, because me, I'm a very contented person. What is my own is my own.
Exactly the reason you still remain in that cubicle and you've refused to leave that cubicle.
Please, I want to stay there. I'm okay where I stay. The only problem I have is Polly. Police my problem. No, because I'll tell you the truth. That he goes out sometimes. I won't lie to you. He goes out sometimes.
Okay, see
But
what
he's a
we'll do.
nice guy. Yes.
See what we'll do.
But I need to control him.
Pay his salary.
I should pay his salary.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So that way, he would know that you are the one in charge.
That I'm the one in charge. Please tell him before you go.
Yeah, of course.
There's no problem. Everything is
Even
okay.
if I fail to talk to him, you still talk to him.
No,
Of course,
yeah,
you just talk to him.
Because sometimes he doesn't understand authority. He doesn't understand that I'm your brother.
Of
You understand
course,
me?
of course.
So please, there's no problem.
I'll
There's no
talk
problem.
to him. So just be in charge, control his movement. It's fine.
No problem.
It's fine.
No problem.
It's
No
fine,
problem.
Everything.
No problem.
I know I
Fine.
can actually count on you.
Of course. Now, why am I here for you? But I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
We'll talk. We'll talk.
There's no problem.
Video call,
Mm.
voice call. We'll talk from
No
time to
problem.
time.
No problem.
Exactly. The new iPhone, the new one inside the carton in my bedroom. I don't have need for it, so I think you should have it as well so we can talk on video.
You say what?
Exactly.
iPhone.
Yes, of course.
That iPhone.
Yes, of
Ha,
course.
brother me. Hey,
brother.
thank you so much. Thank you,
No.
thank you. But it's too much, oh. It's too much. Yes. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that a man human being that wants to form my gate?
Good day, head. Well, you are too beautiful to be this harsh on this gate.
I'm sorry. I thought you were far away. Sorry.
Okay. How can I help you?
Please, I heard that there's a cleaning job available for this house. And that this house needs cleaners. So that's what I came to make inquiry about.
Cleaning job?
Yes, please.
In this house? Of course. There's nothing like that. I am the CSO of this vicinity. If any information like that will go out, I will be the first to know about it.
Okay, please, can I see your boss? Maybe I can ask him.
My boss, maybe. I am the boss, so I don't know about the maybe.
Oh, okay, can I see your master? So that I'll ask.
Madam, what is this now? Huh? Oh. Is it that you don't have respect for time? I gave you all the time in this world to listen to you. You said you want to see my Oga. I said I'm the one. You said my boss, I'm here. Why are you adding insult upon injury? Eh? See, listen, I hate insult. And don't you ever try it again.
Oga, you're frustrating me now. I don't know. I said Oga, I said boss, I said master. We just choose one. I want to see the person in charge here. Okay, let me see the person in charge here.
I am the one in charge. Can't you see? I am in my food area. Well garnished. Eh? Respect me for that. Eh? So, if you need any help, talk to me and I will help you.
Please, I want to see the person in charge. Eh? All this thing, you're just being difficult.
Madam,
it's not necessary.
At this juncture, I won't take insult from you. I have heavy dog that are heavier than me. If I release those dogs on you, you will not live here with any of your bones.
See, I know what you want. You need something. When I get the job, I'll settle you. Okay?
Madam, listen.
I know that.
Hey, don't you try that trash with me. What insolence? Do you know the volume city of this your insult? How can you look at me? A fool. I said I need something from you. I'm not a beggar. I am the one that will help you. Look at you. Poor churchman. Poor churchman. You want to help me? Don't try that again. See, listen. If you don't have anything to say.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Better. You said you wanted to...
I want to get the
cleaning job?
Yes.
You are too beautiful to be a cleaner. Eh? What happened to banking job? I have banking jobs I can give you. Even real estate management, I can give it to you at the tip of my fingers.
Shouldn't you start by giving yourself one?
I don't understand.
The banking job you want to give me, couldn't you have done it as well?
Madam, I'm a banker. It's just that I'm using this one to disguise, to deceive people so they will not know my worth. You understand? Can I have your number so that I can, let me find a way to help your life?
Okay, which kind of nonsense is this? Number. Eh? I'm talking about something else. You're talking about number. Please let me see your boss and let me get this over.
I am the boss. I don't understand. I am the boss. If you don't want to give me your number, I'll get out of this place. Don't you ever use that. Get outside. See, nobody gain access into this house apart from me. I will permit your entrance and then I will permit your exit. Even my Oga cannot enter this house without my permission.
Oh, you agree you have an Oga?
That is me. I cannot even gain access to this house without my permission. I don't have any other guy. I'm the guy here.
See, okay, don't be annoyed. Sure is my number you want.
Yes.
Is not my number you want? I'll give it to you now.
Hey, beautiful woman. I know that beautiful people are not always stupid. But people normally use what they have to get what they want. I start calling the number.
Your full life. Look at yourself in the mirror from up to down. You are busy collecting number. You that you look like what vampire has sucked all the blood out of. You are barely standing. You're just like that reed in the Bible that they say breeze is blowing, that is moving back and forth. Small thing now, Kwaradam, you fall down. You're looking for a woman to kill you. You're looking for a number. Because even Paul, let me get out of here. Open the gate for me. Continue deceiving yourself, calling yourself CSO. You're a gate man.
I'm not a gate man.
You're a gate man.
Hey, madam.
You're a gate man and you're a bad gate man.
Not because I want to toast you.
Skinny
Come on,
man.
get up
When
from
last did you eat? Look at you looking for one.
I will beat this woman. I will use single ball on you. Look at this poor chocolate idiot fool.
Kristen, are you not supposed to be in school?
Mom, how did you get here now? Which one be minus? How did you get here?
What's this? In Ango cigar?
Cigar kwa?
Eh? Chideke, wait. It's not cigar, this is the senior brother. This is the boy I can perceive.
Yeah, but maybe some people they are
It is
smoking.
somewhere.
This is
somewhere. Where is it?
Calm down now, here in the street.
Where is it? Show me what you were smoking.
I was not smoking now. Did you see me smoking? Which one be where is it? Where is it? Did you see me smoking? Mommy, what is it?
It's a boy.
Okay, fine. Let me tell you, Zibo. This thing is Zibo. Leave it. It helps. It nourishes the body. That's why I take it. It's not as if it's a bad thing. It helps.
You don't know that it's only very intelligent people that are supposed to take this thing. So that when the thing takes away your sense, you will still have some remaining. Managiwa we she come. You're not even doing well in school and you're smoking this thing to take away the remaining sense that is there.
Mommy, it's okay.
You will not be empty cat or moving around.
Why are you insulting me now? This is street. Why are you raising your voice?
Mama,
I don't like this thing though. How did you even get here? How did you get here?
Mama,
just leave this thing.
You're shouting at me because you are now taller than me. You are beat me.
Every time you talk.
As you're looking at me with that.
I don't like this thing. I will throw this thing. I don't like this thing. I do it.
Wait there for
Wait for
Abigail! What do you think you're doing?
Welcome home, Dad. Welcome home, Dad.
Abigail! Wait! Aren't you supposed to be in school? My friend, answer me. Are you not supposed to be in school now?
Daddy, I've told you. I don't like that school. I mean, there are no big girls in that school.
Wait.
I don't go to that school anymore.
Abigail, when did you start talking like this? There are no big girls. Excuse me. No, what do you mean there are no big girls in your school? I don't understand. My friend, talk to me.
Daddy, that school is so local. I mean, it's too local for a rising superstar like me. How do you expect me to go to school with people that are like, oh, Dad, please?
Wait, Abigail. Ha! Wait, is that why I saw you dancing wayward the way you were dancing? I mean, just look at what you're wearing, all the way above the knee. Abigail, what's this now? What are you turning into?
Dad, you're not going to understand. I was just doing TikTok.
TikTok? What's that? I don't understand. TikTok for what?
My followers now. That way I'll get a lot of people to follow me on my social media accounts. Yeah. And I'll become the superstar that I've always wanted to be.
You get a account. Are you stupid? Follow you to where? Where are they following you to? Look, what's wrong? What's wrong with this girl? No, what was this? I mean, I work myself out to making sure that you go to school, you become somebody, and be a doctor. What's this?
Dad, for the 100th time, I don't want to be a doctor.
You don't want to be a doctor?
I don't want to be a doctor.
Then what do you want to be?
Daddy, I want to be a social media personality. I want to live the life of fame. I've always wanted to be in limelight. I know it's my calling. It's my dream, Dad. If not me, then who? Think about the likes of Kim Kardashian, Beyonce, Shakira.
Come on, shut up there. Think about the likes of Beyonce, King Kardashian. Look, what's with all this plenty you are speaking now? Or him just walking? What do you mean by that? Is this where I trained you? Look, my friend, you're going to be a doctor, let me tell you. And you cannot have waywardness in this house. Do you understand me? Well, just look at the nonsense you're wearing. What's this? My friend, go inside and change that thing.
See, this is the thing about you. This is the thing about you. You will never change. Why can't you just allow me to be who I want to be? Why can't you allow me to express myself? Why are you caging me, Dad? Why are you caging me?
Go and remove that nonsense. Okachuku, go and remove that nonsense. Go and remove that thing.
That is not my name. My name is Abigail, Abigail baby, AB 555 from TikTok. Get it into your head.
That crocodile kiss that AB from your mouth. Let's go and change this nonsense. Let's go and change this thing. What do you mean? You want to be influencer?
Oh yeah, I got your message. I just breezed into California right now, so I'm trying to have some burger, and I want you to send me some kind of money right now. So I needed to fix some certain things, you know. Yeah, the bills that I have right now is about $2,000 and I want you to do that for me right now. Do you get what I'm saying? Oh, come on. Yeah, I'll be waiting for your reply. I love you a lot. All right, thank you. Mom.
Who are you talking to?
I wasn't talking to anyone. It's my...
Who are you talking to by this time of the night?
My classmate. I was actually talking to Chimamanda. Emeka. Yeah, yes, Emeka.
Emeka, Chimamanda. Which one in particular? By this time of the night? Me, I thought you were even somewhere reading your books. You were busy talking to people. People that all of you should be sleeping.
Why are you pestering me like this? You've lived your life. Why not allow me to live mine? As you can see, I'm hustling. I'm trying to see how I can make our life better.
Okay, Major, no first. I want to talk to you.
You see, I'm busy.
I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me? Mom, it's late now. Can't you see it's late?
Oh, it's now you remember it's late. You didn't remember it was late when you were talking to those your imaginary friends. Eh? Pico, Gente. This life that you're living, it will not pay you. It's not good for you. This life that you're living, just calm down. Study hard. Things will get better.
Mom, I hope you know not be everybody will go school they make up for this life. Let me make something clear to you. As I did like this now, school no dey in my brain. I don't want to go to school. My only focus right now is on how to hustle and make money.
School no dey your brain.
And you know dey. Book
So,
no dey my brain.
Is or she dey your brain now? That is your target. To join armed robbers. Eh? Ichori got school, Ichori mezigene.
Let me break it down to you right now. What I'm doing is straight. Hustling. We talk to clients. We bill them. You understand? Some of them pay much money, $2,000, $50,000. So when we bill them, they will pay.
Is this not Yahoo you're talking
No,
about?
it's not Yahoo now. What are you saying? This is street.
This thing is sounding like Yahoo. Wayo.
Mom, I'm trying to tell you that this is street. It's take back from what they have
This
taken
thing
from
is
us.
sounding Yahoo-like. Yeah. This boy. Hey, this boy has joined Yahoo. Chineke na.
Jerome. Wait.
Now, come help me.
You are who? You just hand out open the place. I don't understand.
Come help me carry this thing now.
I'll be your PA. Point to your job. Where I go?
No problem. You don't go help me, Abi?
Help me for
No,
what?
no problem. No
I
problem.
can do your job.
No problem. No
Pay
problem.
salary. Pay me
You don't go
salary.
help me, Abi?
I'll go help you.
No shaking. No wahala. No wahala.
Now to lift woman now. You just they struggle with ordinary back. My baby back.
No problem. You don't go help me. You
I'll
don't go
help
help me.
Ah.
Walika.
Pisogwa. Odogwu na-epe mpe. Oh. This will fit you very well. Now talk about that travel. So. Wait, oh. Now travel. I talk about my salary. Jerome. Jerome.
Good day.
Hey! Who opened gate for you?
The gate was open. Please, I'd like to see your boss.
What is my boss? Don't come with this your old song. I've told you that I don't want to hear that song, that I'm the boss.
What? You're just trying to give yourself high blood pressure. Look at you. You don't even look like you've eaten well.
Madam, you want to stop
You want
me?
to faint for nothing. I'm already here and I'm not leaving until I see your boss.
Why are you telling that? I
This is
said,
what I'm
give
telling
me your number so that if there is cleaning workshop, I will give you. You will not give me the number and now you're here.
Number kill you there.
Madam, it's like I said, don't talk to a monitoring spirit.
I am a monitoring spirit and I will haunt you until you let me see your boss.
Blood of
What's
God.
wrong with you? Your
Blood
boss.
of God.
You will never matter with you.
Yes, what's going on?
Now this nonsense woman, no mannerless woman, we don't get pattern. Just bundle herself inside this place and I'm telling her to leave. She's making noise. Madam, outside. Hey, it's all right. It's okay.
You live here?
Matter of fact, I own this property.
In that case, good day, sir.
Yes, how are you?
I heard that you're in need of a cleaning company to clean this place. We do fumigation. We take care of pests, everything. We'll leave your house spick and span. We are the ones that clean a lot of the houses in this neighborhood.
Oh, really?
Yes, we have good references.
Fantastic.
Yes,
Fantastic.
if you give me the opportunity, we'll do your house very well.
Will you shut up? Continue.
So I was here before, but I wasn't able to meet you. So
You've been here before?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all right, okay. Well, not to worry. Yes, so of course your services are needed. Do you have a complimentary card?
I don't have one here. I can go home and.
What you're supposed to have. I mean,
Yes.
that shows you're serious with business. You shut up! Silly. Now, all right. I'll have your number. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. You have a phone.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Hey, madam!
I said keep quiet. Yes. Just dial my number.
Okay.
All right. That'll be 080 720 2222 892. Yes. Make sure it rings. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, it's ringing now.
It's ringing.
Yes.
Fantastic. I'll get back to you. Huh?
All right. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. I'm very grateful. Okay.
Have a nice one.
All right, sir. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
You say you're experienced, right?
Yes, very.
Good.
Okay.
Very good.
Madam!
And what are you doing sitting down? Will you get up from there? I said get up!
Now you get that voice.
Get used to it, eh?
Wait, oh. What's the meaning of that? See this man, oh. Nah. You borrow Oga clothes where? Borrow Oga chain. Still go borrow voice. Hey! Oh, this guy is a smart criminal. So you number why they hustle every night and then you just stand here. I don't want. Oh, this voice no resemble. Are you the one? Thunder fire you! Poverty no go good for you. I don't see the problem. Now because of the issue, I make if I ask for number, they don't give me. They don't say Jerome, they call it Jerome. Broke ass nigga. But they are like, oh, you have experience. 0-0. Don't go fire near you, Waka! Waka! I don't tell you guys, I don't overgrow this uniform. I go just tear her now. If I say I don't wear uniform, this woman, if I want to give me this number, by now, me I go do Joromi, Joromi. Hey! What's up, I come back? I go try and say I don't go wear uniform again. At least, if I wear borrowed clothes, borrowed chain, I could go black market, borrow voice. So that if I'm talking to any girl on the street, if I say, your number, she will get us 080. Call it again. 0. It don't go better for you. Call it my salary. Jerome. Hey, Jerome, you're not a big man fit. You see as he spray like Jagaban. Bring drink now, make go high.
Have you gone bonkers? My friend, stand up! Stand up, my friend! Something wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Namio.
Who are you?
Polika. Your guy.
Who's your guy?
Listen high.
Who's your guy?
Me, your guy, now?
Listen here, okay?
Let me tell you this, okay? Henceforth, you will never, ever in your miserable life address me as Jerome again. You understand? You wouldn't even address me as Oga Jerome. Yes, no two worders, just one worders. Oga or boss. Are we clear?
Jerome. Say the way you are just knocking the English. Why? So escorting it with grammar. Somebody that, if I don't know you now, I will think that you're serious. Okay, give me drink, Jerome will drink.
Get up! Stand up!
Wait, are you serious?
Are you a male kangaroo?
Kangaroo, me. Okay.
What is this? Listen.
Of course you understand that my brother, you were there, you noticed, you know that my brother puts me in charge of everything. Okay? From being the caretaker of his properties, I am now in charge of everything in this house, including you.
God forbid.
Yes, including you.
God forbid.
So, I'm telling you right now, if you have a problem with that, and you will not conform to what I tell you, you quietly leave, but honorably resign.
Wait, I believe say this is the way they talk now. It's like a prayer point. It sounded like a prayer point to me. You want to assume the place of Oga. You want to be in charge. You want to be the boss. It's a prayer point. I know you are not serious. Oga just travel. Nobody say he die. I just imagine travel when you just do. You don't claim nest of king. You don't occupy it. Ordinary occupy till I come. You don't use English. They intimidate me. They come here, make kangaroo. Oga won't take this.
For emphasis, I'm telling you this. For emphasis, it's Oga or boss to you. Polycarp. For emphasis, it's Oga or boss to you, or you resign.
Joromo! That is your name. Joromo!
Polycarp!
It's your name.
Remember, your salary is with me. So, how do you address me? Or
Ga.
Or
Ga.
boss.
Do I order you some more bottles while we wait for the food?
Oh, no, I'm okay.
No. I know the food takes time, but the food is great.
I'm okay with this drink. I don't want more. Thank you.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, all right. So, which brings me to my question. Yeah. I mean, I believe in destiny and fate, and you can see how fate has brought us together again. I mean, we met the other day, I tried helping you out, and then, you finally came, within my abode. So, the real question is why? I mean, why can't you just
let me love and take care of you.
Why me? There are so many young girls out there. Why me?
Of course, there are so many young girls out there, but I know what I want. I don't want a young girl, no. I want a woman. A woman I can build a relationship with, build an empire with. Not a TikTok or Instagram relationship, no.
I'm very complicated. I'm complicated. I don't know if you can handle it.
How complicated? Alright. Is there anything I should hear?
Okay, first of all, I have a son. I have a son and he's not a small boy.
Okay. Any other thing?
Is that not enough to scare you away?
Then why should I be scared? For what reason? Okay, if it may please you to know, I am also a widower. I lost my wife 3 years ago and, I have a teenage daughter.
A teenage daughter?
Yes. Which is where you come in. I want a woman, not a girl. It's hard taking care of a girl, so I need a woman in my life to, support me in taking care of my daughter. Right? Please, I really need you in my life and I need you to really consider me.
I'll think about it.
Omo, if you don't want to give us the balance, give us the phone, we'll come up for your oga.
See, why they raise your voice now? Yeah, my hood now. You can't they para for me. Like,
Yeah, where the balance?
see, the thing is, you guys need to give me some time. I go give you your money. Just give me a little time. Let me fix myself. I will pay you.
Oh boy, where that phone there?
What did they worry you now? Why can't they touch me like
Why
that?
you no go touch
Why
you?
you go they touch me?
Phone when they give you, man, use your hustle. Use that they toast babe. Since how many months now? You don't fit catch one client. Give us balance.
Calm
Give
down,
us phone.
I don't
don't make account.
I
How
will
the phone there?
I will give you phone.
Omo,
Wait, which kind of
no wasting of time.
Wait, calm down. Wait, what in the
Got the phone there now.
Phone not there here. Which phone? Which phone?
Which
Calm down. No, stop that kind of thing. Which kind of
Omo, get the phone now.
I'm not getting the phone.
I bring the
I'm not give you the phone.
Okay, bring the balance. What's your worry? Okay, bring the balance.
Okay, you fix me.
Inside the job.
Get to my house to feed my son. What's going on here? Wait.
Wait. They push me from my house. They push me. I can't imagine.
What's happening here? What's the problem?
Madam, your son don't fuck up. I need to collect. Forget your
Hey!
See, guy, you go bring that phone, or else we go still obtain you for one present.
Go down, you got to be talking sports with you people. What are they kids? I'm not coming from my house.
You don't know where.
Hey, young man, are you stupid? Are you silly?
What in the name of effrontery is wrong with you? Are you silly? Have you gone bonkers? Have you lost it? If the woman says leave her house, you leave immediately.
Oga, nobody call you for this matter. Which kind of talk with that one now? Which one be say make we move?
Okay. It's all right. Let's enjoy the moment. It's okay. I've dealt with your type.
Where the fear call?
It's all
Where the fear
right.
call?
It's okay. It's all right. It's all
Go
right.
bring that phone today or the balance. Where the fear call?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, police commissioner, how are you? Oh, fantastic. Fine. You got my gift. No, it's nothing. There's more where that came from. Yes. Oh, you know where I am. Thank you so much for tracking my number. I mean, I feel safe every time with you. Actually, I need you to, employ one of your DPOs here within this district. I have 2 miscreants.
Christo, you see that phone? We go come back for that phone. Christo, you. Where now?
Okay.
Come back now.
No, can you just wait?
No,
Yes,
see,
yeah,
you come back. You.
yeah, one is in shorts. One is wearing
back for that phone.
orange top.
Why
Yeah.
are you going? Come back and collect. Come and collect phone.
Oh, it's okay. They've gone. I'll call you, okay? All right.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay. It's all right. But
So, that's your name now, Christo. It's Christo that used to know you in the street, Christo!
oh, please, my dear, just calm down.
Which phone are they even talking about?
My dear, please calm down. The young man is a juvenile. You treat him as such, okay? Just calm down, okay?
Thank you. I'll see you later.
It's all right. No violence, please. No violence.
Christian!
No violence. No violence, okay?
I'm already on my way. You guys will see me now. Don't worry. I'm turning off for the party. Tonight is going to be very
Ukachuku. Ukachuku.
Abigail. It's Abigail.
Ukachuku. Ukachuku.
Dad, it's Abigail.
Ukachuku. Ukachuku.
Daddy, good evening.
Ukachuku, what is this? No, seriously, what is this now? What are you even wearing? Why are you dressed like one lost mermaid, one lost mami water? What is this now?
Daddy, what is wrong with what I'm wearing?
What is not wrong with this thing?
What is wrong with this dress?
What is not if you speak? See rubbish you're wearing. You see this nonsense you're wearing. It's just even a 10-year-old. This thing will not fit a 10-year-old. What's this now? It's too small for a 10-year-old. What's wrong with you now?
Dad, why do you always have a problem with every single thing I wear? You have a problem with
Because you wear nonsense. You wear nonsense. I'm telling you, this thing is too small for a 10-year-old. Look at you. Look at everywhere. You're exposing everywhere. What's wrong with you now?
Daddy, this is the latest fashion, the latest trend. I mean, everybody on the internet is wearing this crop top and this beautiful skirt. There's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing.
Look at you. If you try turning around again, if you try that nonsense that your skirt is coming up, if I slap you, your life will never remain the same. Are you okay? Look at your skin. Look at you exposing everywhere. What is this now? Do you want to tell everybody I'm a failed father? What's wrong with you? Why must I always be shouting every time? What's this?
Daddy, I'm just going for a party. All my friends are turning up hot for that party. So I can't be left out.
Oh, your friends are turning up hot for the party. So you two want to turn up hot. So those boys will chop you like pepper soup there, My friends, sit down. Let's talk.
Dad, I don't have time for that. Please,
Umaga can't. Come on, sit down. I want us to talk, okay? Listen. Things have changed. Are you understanding me now? Things have changed. I want us to elevate our status. You understand me? I want us to start acting like people who are already there, on the high pedestal, on the high level. You understand? Yes. That's how I want us to start acting from today. And that's for a reason.
Daddy, please wait though. You want us to be acting like first-class citizens in this nonsense local area?
I'm not talking about in this area. We are going somewhere. Okay, let me just tell you. Your cousins are abroad, Nnamdi's children. They don't like coming to this country. So Nnamdi has gone to join them. And he has said, I should take care of his house and everything. I should actually move in there. Yes. So I want us to go there with, because of, the people around there are different. So I want us to go there with a different personality, with different aura. So now I permit you to, speak all those rubbish you speak, all those...
So, better environment for viral TikTok videos!
Hey, they don't shout there. Don't shout there, so you have to behave yourself. You understand me? And you have to be consistent with the way you speak. You understand? Like, I will even join you in that your rubbish. So when I say something like, how are you? How are you going
Dad, stop it. How are you?
Let me speak my own, you speak your own. You understand me? Never contest what I say. So, how are you?
How are you?
Is that the right answer? This girl, how are you?
I'm fine, Daddy.
That's right. Are you good?
Wait, Dad.
Are you good?
For real. So, we go come for this village.
You mad? Are you mad? Don't make me make mistake. This girl.
I'm sorry.
Let's maintain this thing, no. If not, we won't go there. I'll go there alone. You won't go with me. What's this now?
No, please, Daddy. Please don't change your mind, please.
You're not going to anywhere. Where are you going to this night? Stop this thing that you're doing now. Stop this. I've told you that I can take care of myself. Mom, stop this thing that you're doing.
That doesn't answer my question. I said, where are you going to? And don't open your mouth and tell me that nonsense street again.
See, listen, Mom, we have some kind of deals that we need to track. And I need some updates, Mom. All this thing that I am doing is just for you and I. I am trying so hard to make our life better, Mom. Can't you just understand? Allow me to do this thing that I'm doing now. Just stop this.
This street. I'm going to follow you to that street. Let me see where it is. I want to know where that street is.
What? Mom, you will follow me?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, calm down, John. No, just calm down. See, let me tell you, it's not the next street, though. The street we are talking about is not the street down the other side. Do you think it's Oguejiofor Street? Huh? Or do you think it's Emeka Street that we are going to? Listen, street is tough. Do you understand? Street is military. Street is dangerous, Mom. Stop this.
Street is dangerous. And you think with clear eye, I'll open my eye and leave you to enter this so-called street. You are lying, no? Big fat lie. You're not going anywhere.
No, I'm a big... I'm a man. I am capable of taking care of myself.
The same way you were taking care of yourself when those two boys came here to beat you duga.
Which big? Forget the other deal. If not for the fact that I have respect, what I would have done to them. Money stop nonsense. If I had money, do you think they would come to me and start talking to me anyhow? That's why I'm struggling so hard to make money.
Okay, and I'm telling you, you are not going anywhere.
Don't start this thing. Like
I say you're not going to
don't start.
People sure.
Mom, see, Mom.
I say you're not going to anywhere this night.
Mom, this thing that you're doing.
Come and pass.
Okachuku.
Abigail. Abigail.
Ma? Which one is Abigail?
AB55 in the building.
Yes. Of course, we're finally here. Huh? You like the environment, right?
Dad, I'm so going to love it here in Uncle Nabi's house. I mean, our house.
Very good.
So it's
very good. Yes. So, of course, you get acquainted to everybody, and I'm sure you'll be well rested here. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yes.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
You're sure?
AB55 in the building.
Yes.
Come on now, let's go. Get the bags.
Jerome.
You stupid.
Yeah, your daughter. Who is Jerome? Okay, Jerome. Okay, sir. Good. Hey.
Get the bags.
Hey.
Get the bags.
Your salary advance.
Hey.
Look at this small. This Jerome's daughter is knowing to hook up. How can she be AB55? This house is not AB55. Nonsense. This boy can talk to me anyhow. Jerome!
The truth of the matter is that I love you. And I'm not joking when I say this. I seriously, truly love you. So please, see, there's an emptiness I have in me, okay? So please, please, what do you actually have to say about my proposal? Because I really, really do love you.
There are a lot of factors to be considered. I have a teenage son. You've met him before. He can be a handful. And you told me, your daughter, she also has her issues. And come to think of it, have you even discussed this with your daughter?
It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Look, the major thing is for you to accept, first of all. And every other thing will fall in place.
Jerome, you've not discussed... See, it's not like I don't want you. I want you too. It's just, my son is my priority.
Which makes everything good. Which makes everything perfect. Really, everything becomes perfect. Listen, your son needs a father figure. I'm here. My daughter needs a mother figure. You are here too. So you see, everything works together for good. Okay? So you see, we can all align and fulfill everybody's needs. So just accept my proposal. Come in, we'll live together. I mean, and all of us can just, be together and fill that vacuum we all need to fill up. Please.
I'll call you.
Are you sure? I'm sure.
I'll call you.
Take care.
Dad, are you actually serious?
Of course.
You are bringing in your girlfriend to come live with us in this house.
What are you talking about? What is this now? Okachuku, what is
Abigail. That is Abigail. Abigail.
What's all this circle now? See all this space now? See all your hands out. What's this now? Please. But Okachuku, please, could you just
Abigail. AB55 on TikTok, on Instagram. Abigail.
Listen, all I'm telling you right now is to go and change. I mean, I don't want these people coming in here to think you're a loose girl now. What's all this now?
Dad, I'm not a loose girl.
They stop behaving like one. What's this now? Look at all what you're exposing.
Wait, so now I understand. The reason you've been acting all washed up is because of your girlfriend?
Look, I don't have any time for this, okay? You understand? Look, these people, they'll soon be coming. You understand? They will soon be coming. So please, Okachuku, just behave yourself.
Abigail, AB55. AB55 on TikTok, AB55 on Instagram. Abigail, AB55.
Abigail, please.
This is the place.
Mom, are we really moving in with your boyfriend?
And his daughter. So you need to be on your best behavior. Show them that you have home training. Is that clear? Or you need you to start asking me again whether I'm really moving in with my man for the 100th time. How many times will I tell you?
Can I go inside? What's that? Move like a human being, man.
What is wrong with you now? This girl, what of all this? Why today? Look, stop this nonsense.
You're scattering my dreads now. Hello, dear.
Hello, how are you? Oh my God.
We're here.
Yeah, I know you're here. Yes.
Good afternoon.
How are you? Good. Yeah, meet my beautiful daughter.
Abigail, AB55 on TikTok, AB55 on Instagram. Don't forget to like and follow. Mwah.
Hey! Yeah. Okay.
And
Yes.
this is my son,
Yeah.
Christian. You've met him
Yeah,
before.
of course. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yes,
thank you.
nice.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Hi, Abigail. Nice to meet you.
Please kindly forgive her. You see, we actually had well, truth is, I stopped her from going out. I wanted her to be around before you come in. Okay, you know children. Oh, please sit down. Polycarp will come get everything, okay? All right, please sit down. No, that's fine. Polycarp will come take that. Just sit.
Okay.
Let me go get you something to drink, okay? You are so welcome. You're so welcome. Yes! Polycarp!
Hey! Hi. How are you? Hey, what's up? What's going on? What is it now? Why are you giving me attitude? I'm just trying to get along with you. What is it?
Why did you laugh? Why were you laughing at me? What was so funny that you had to laugh?
I was laughing. I didn't laugh at you. Oh, come on. Oh, that stuff. I understand. I wasn't actually laughing at you. Why would I laugh at you? Did you do anything wrong? Huh? I wasn't laughing at you.
Disgusting. Please, I've had enough of you.
Hey, come on. Hey! Now, calm down now. What's up now? I beg,
leave me.
What's up now? What's going happen? Why body they prepare you like this now? Calm down. Why all this attitude for? Listen, you're soon gonna be my stepsister. You understand? I just want to get along with you. Nothing else.
I will never be your stepsister. The sooner you get that into your thick-headed skull, the better for you.
Hey, calm down.
My friend, will you leave me?
Wait, who be this one? See, body they prepare you, body they prepare me too. Look at this mugo. See, if I follow you talk again for this compound, call me nonsense. Can you imagine? A whole me. Crystal Monica, this girl.
Hey! Calm down. Respect yourself in this place. You're answering Crystal money when... Hi! Oh, it is only poor people that does not have money that answer big name. Crystal money. And you follow your mama, carry bag like Jumbo. Ghana must go. Come here. Respect yourself. Come here, come to find woman. I have scissors. If you misuse it,
Why is there so much pepper in this rice? Just lots of pepper. It's too spicy. Is this suya rice? Like, oh my god. I can't eat this. I can't really eat this. So spicy. Why is it so spicy?
Abigail, I was in the kitchen preparing this meal all alone. You did not come in there to offer a helping hand. I finished preparing the meal. You did not deem it fit to set the dining table. And even after that was done by me, you do not think it wise to even serve the food.
What about your son? Did he come to that?
Hey, my friend, will you keep quiet? Huh? Men don't cook. So don't say that. I'm a man.
So why should I be the one to serve?
Okay, fine. If men belong to the kitchen, why did your father not join my mother to make the food? Why didn't he join her?
Hey! Everybody should know how to cook, male and female. But it's more important for the girl child.
Exactly. As an African child, as an African girl, it is only paramount that you must know how to cook.
Daddy, why are you supporting her? She's busy supporting her child and you can't even support me.
I said quiet. Like I said earlier, as an African girl, you must know how to cook. You must know how to cook.
Like, seriously?
I said shut up. That doesn't mean you won't help them in the kitchen.
Yeah, right. That's right.
Now, quiet.
Okay, sir.
You're going to be helping.
I said shut up. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we will eat with no noise.
I'm no more hungry. I've lost my appetite.
You will pick that fork right now and eat with no noise.
Dad!
I said right now!
Dad!
Your daughter is so mean to my son.
I think so. But your son has his own issues. I mean, you see the way he talks back at me with no respect.
Anyway, we agreed to help each other discipline these children, so we might as well start. But my concern right now is that they don't seem to get along with each other at all.
In that regard, I believe they'll get along real soon. That one I know for sure.
I asked if we were ready for all this, and you said yes. And this is just the beginning, and all this while already.
Stop. Things will align, okay? Please, let's just lie down. Things will...
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Oh, Nana! Come on, this skipper! Hey. Wait, who go buy this guy, sir? Who buy this guy for this match?
Let me have it.
What's the meaning of that?
Give me the remote.
Wait, I should give you the remote. Can't you see I'm busy watching football match?
What's my business? How is that my business? I was here before you. I just went up to freshen up.
You went up
give me the remote.
to freshen up and so what? I came here, I didn't meet anybody. So I have to watch my match. What is your
Give
problem?
me the remote. Let me
Why would I give you the remote?
Give me the... Daddy!
No, scream! Call
Daddy!
your father! Call the president! I will not give you this remote. What is it? Come on, move aside.
Daddy!
Can you imagine? I should give you the remote for what?
What's going on? What's it? What's happening?
He took my remote control. I was here before him and I was watching TV. And then I went up, he took the remote control from me and changed the channel.
Sister, let me tell you the truth. Look at what happened. When I came down to this place, I didn't meet anybody. And I had football match to watch by 7. Well, I had to turn on the TV to watch the match. Well,
That was because I went up.
Why would I give you the remote?
Hey! Let me have the remote.
Give him the remote. Give him the remote. Give him the remote. Give him. Now.
Oh, he's fine. That's the remote.
Daddy, can I have the remote?
Can you go to your room?
Daddy!
Right now.
Oh, this is all your fault.
And where do you think you're going?
I'm going to finish the football match.
Eh?
Yes, Mom. This is an important match and I need to finish it.
You're going where?
I am going to watch the match. This is Man U Chelsea and it's very important to me. I have to finish the match.
Okay. Upstairs.
You're going where?
I am going, probably I'll go to the bar or anything to go and finish my match.
Kristen, upstairs.
Mom, can't you
I will
understand the
bite
fact that I'm watching
I
football
will
match?
bite you. Kristen, upstairs.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's fine, no problem. I'll just go. People just do anyhow. It's like, I'll not inside.
So if we left him, he would have gone to the bar. At this time.
You see what I've been saying now? See if I'm killing yourself over football.
Hey, that's my seat.
I don't understand. What do you mean that's your
That's my seat. Move to the back seat. Move to the back seat.
What is your problem? How can you say this is your seat? My friend got to the back seat. Is it not the same car?
Please move to the back seat. This is my seat.
Mind your words. Don't start again.
Friend, move to the back seat. This is my father's car. I sit in front.
Oh, I see. Now I get it, right? You're trying to remind me that that's your father's car.
Kristen, please, just go to the back seat, okay? To the back seat, okay?
All right. I see. Move. Okay, fine. I am not going with the car again.
Hey, Kristen, please, come back.
Hey, don't talk to me like that. You're not my father.
Kristen, stop it.
Mom, I am not going with this car. I am not going with this car.
Get in the back seat. We'll talk about it later.
Mom, but you heard her when she was trying to remind me that that's not my father's car.
Kristen, I, your mother, am asking you to get back in the car. Disobeying is direct disrespect to me. We will handle it when you get home.
Hey! Don't look at me. Enter motor, you see motor, you are choosing where to sit. Go on, sit down. My friend, shut up!
Eh?
I said shut up! It's nothing. One day. It's nothing. Sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome, sir. How are you? Why are you making faces? What's going on?
I raised my concerns about this whole thing. I raised my concerns, but you waved it off and said everything will be fine.
Of course they'll be fine.
Does this look like it's getting fine? Huh? These children do not even like the sight of each other. Huh? We have agreed to enter this relationship as single parents with grown-up children, but it's not sitting well with them. It's like we're forcing this thing down their throats, and I'm feeling like we're being selfish.
Look, everything will be fine, okay?
Whatever they're doing right now is only expected because they are young. They're young. But at the same time, I just feel like, we should, set some standards and some rules and, get slightly tougher on them. I mean, we can't allow them dictate the pace around here.
The same way you allowed your daughter dictate who sits in front and who sits behind. She even went as far as telling my son that this is her father's car. And you kept mute. I expected you to say something, but you did not.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
I've heard you. On my way to work, I have a cleaning job for a client.
No. Cleaning? Come on, you can't do that cleaning job again. No.
I've employed staff that do the cleaning. Huh? Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Are you sure I shouldn't drop you off? I'm sorry.
Jerome. Hi, Jerome. You told me that you like them older. The older, the sweeter. The older, the more trouble. How market? I hope you are enjoying the little. Everything is going down well.
You're very stupid, eh?
I don't understand.
I said you're very stupid.
Don't provoke me. What do you mean by that? See, if you make me angry, I'll stop wearing this clothes. We'll go on Mufti till he returns.
You dey craze, oh? You dey craze, oh?
Me the craze.
You dey craze, oh?
Me the craze. See, no. I dey only respect you when they dey around. Only me and you dey here. If you miss yarn, me and you go fall out here now. Which kind of say don't see? Just cooperate. I say how market today here they promote.
Wait. So wetin dey worry you? Say why you go to challenge that boy now? Why you go challenge that boy? Wetin dey do you?
Why not go challenge that overgrown fool? That idiot wey no get pattern. I suppose caution him so that he will know that this is not.
Now you get pattern. Now you dey craze, oh?
I be pattern maker.
Get away, man.
Hey, God, wait. See, make I tell you. I just dey try hold my patient. You know say I dey pick best. I need 3K. Urgent 3K. Make I use run one short bet. Don't organize the game. The match go to start.
3K for what? The one wey I give you yesterday don't finish.
You no reach anything, no. Even short time don't add money. Don't add for 4, 5. You no even do anything. So give me 3K. Make I go run this game so that I know I come collect tomorrow. Wait.
Hey! Why you dey make noise? Stop this nonsense. What you do you?
Make I tell you now. I give you 20 minutes. If you don't give me the 3K, everything will scatter. Everything scatter.
Guy, body dey pepper me. As I dey tell you, body dey pepper me. See, you get person where I want oppress. If I never make money for this life, I'm not going to impress. I need to oppress this nigga.
Okay, calm down. Every hustler getting paid.
I dey tell you.
Just relax, you go collect. Believe.
Nothing, no. You see the quick rush. Eh? See, bro, make I tell you. As you don't pay balance for your phone now, you go collect. The reason why you never pick sales now because you never pay balance. As you don't pay now, watch out.
So you be, nigga.
You go collect money, better money.
So, you know, say, they talk say, respect who gets, then fear who never gets.
Normally.
But you know what they pay me, eh? They know they fear me. They know they fear me.
Nigga, forget.
Nobody they fear my outcome.
Wait,
because as I dey like this now, but this they pepper me.
Make I ask you, who you want to oppress?
Guy, forget who I want oppress. The matter be say I want oppress person.
See, if you pick up now, everywhere go check. Body go check.
Body
People
dey
go know
pepper
say
me.
person don't pick. You know who you be? Cristo
You see that
Cristo money. Cristo money.
Ta.
The name alone, everywhere
You
go
see that your
scatter.
girl wey be say they give you phone, they chat am every night. If you collect money now, you go forget her. Money dey come, money dey road. Just calm down. You see the bomb that side what I give you.
Body they pepper me.
You see the bomb the side.
See, you know, if like say I want plus my hustle. Though.
You say wait.
I want plus
Say
up, guy.
Get mind. You get mind.
Look me finish.
You
They
feel
ask
bring
me
your
about
mama.
Jerome, have you seen Kristen?
No, I don't believe he's back yet.
Not back from school. By this time. Abigail, have you seen Kristen?
No, I haven't seen him. I don't know where he lives.
Okay.
Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I believe he'll be here in no time. Oh, yeah.
Good evening, man.
Excuse me?
Didn't you see him? Why didn't you greet?
What insolence?
Good evening, sir.
Kristen, why are you just coming back by this time?
Hey, listen, young man, okay?
The right thing to do when being asked the question is to answer. That's the moral justification you have, to answer. So where are you coming from?
Hey, my friend, don't talk to me like that. What is it? You're not my father for you to talk to me like that. And you can never be.
Kristen!
Mom!
Who taught you this one? Huh? What?
You heard your son. No, you heard your son. No, you saw the way he just embarrassed me. I mean, the way he just disrespected me in front of you and my daughter.
I am sorry. I think he's still feeling bad about what happened in the morning.
Oh, please, just don't give me that rubbish. Don't give me that nonsense, please. Wait, you're making excuses for him now?
I'm not making excuses for him.
Then what?
He's obviously troubled. Maybe something happened in school.
Please, that's arrant nonsense. That is rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Rubbish. Listen, I will not allow that boy disrespect me in my own house, in front of my daughter.
So what now?
He has to be disciplined.
Wow. Disciplined?
Yes.
What brand of discipline?
That will serve as a deterrent. He has to be disciplined.
I hope you're not planning to hit my son again.
You sent for me.
Sit down. You were disrespectful to Jerome yesterday. And by extension, you were disrespectful to me because he's my man.
What did I do, Mom? I simply reminded him that he is not my father. And that's exactly what he clearly meant to me with his daughter.
That we will discuss later. But still, you shouldn't have said those words to him.
No. But truly, he's not my father.
Even if he is not your biological father, that does not mean you should not respect him. First off, he's old enough to be your father. He's taking responsibility of you as a son. You are under his roof, and he is my man. So many reasons why you should give him some respect. He simply asked you why you came back late from school yesterday. He did nothing wrong. You'll be disciplined for what you did, and you will show remorse.
Disciplined? It's fine if that's going to make you happy that I will apologize to him. But one thing I will not take is for me to be punished in the presence of Abigail. I will not take it, Mom.
And I will not take insolence. I repeat, I will not in any way take insolence. Not from you, not from anybody. Kristen, kneel down.
What?
Did you just say what? Kristen, did you just say what? I said kneel down and apologize right now.
But Mom, this is no way.
Kristen, I kneel down and apologize. Are you okay? Wait, you want to fight me? So you're a man now? You want to fight me? Huh? That you're tall, so you feel you can fight me? Huh? No, come on. No, throw the first punch, come on. No, you're a man. No, no, don't do it. Listen, you will kneel down right now. Do you understand me? I said kneel down right now. You will not what? You said you will not what? No, you said you will not what?
It's okay. It's enough.
What are you teaching this boy? What are you teaching this boy? Of course it's your fault. No, it's your fault. I mean, you're the one making him bold.
I think you are too hard on him.
Really?
Yes. I asked you to let me speak to him privately and that he was going to come and apologize to you.
He doesn't need to apologize, okay? He doesn't need to apologize. He needs to be disciplined.
You hit him the first time. And if I hadn't stood up to stop you, you would have hit him the second time.
Of course. Yes.
Would you hit your daughter like that?
Is that what this is all about?
Open this gate. Open this gate.
I don't understand.
Open this gate. Let me leave here.
Are you talking to me?
What is your problem? I'm dead. Open this gate. Do you think I don't have a roof over my head? Is that what you think? You want me to die here? Open this gate, my friend.
See, if I slap you, if I nod you, if I use this shoe on you, your life will never remain the same. What I asked of you is just simple. Give me your location so that I'll put it on record. So that when they ask, I will tell them that you are there.
Kristen!
Open this gate!
Kristen!
Young man, go nowhere.
Kristen, where are you going to?
I'm leaving.
You want to go to Okpanam village and stay on your own?
Mommy, is it not better? Let me just go. I at least I have a roof over my head, Mom.
Oh, you're even from Okpanam. And you're talking about having a roof over your head. Listen, your name is Rufus.
Ignore this fool. Talk to me. See, you can't just go. You can't live there on your own.
Mom, it's better I go back home than to stay where I'm not welcome.
You are welcome. We are welcome here. Please, come. We'll sort out whatever issues there are. Please.
Mom, I just want to go. I don't want to stay. I don't want to go back to this house again. I just want to go, Mom.
Please. You don't want me to be happy.
Mom, you know that's not true. I want you to be happy, but I don't want to stay in this house again.
I came here because I choose to be happy. I'm tired of doing it all alone. I'm lonely. But here we have people to talk to. We're not all alone like we are in Okpanam. Here you have a stepfather and a stepsister.
You have a step uncle. That is if you behave. I will now accept to be your step uncle.
Mom, I can't face their humiliations, Mom. I just want to go home.
See,
Please.
we'll sort out whatever issues you and Abigail have. Please. Please.
Listen, Mom, I will be fine. Just stay back here. Listen, I have friends that I can go and
Okay,
stay
if that's it, then just wait for me. Let me get my luggage.
Mom, wait, Mom, wait. It hasn't gotten to that.
That's obviously what you want because there's no way I'm going to stay here when you leave.
But Mom, you're happy here. Just stay back here.
I cannot be happy here when you've gone. So make up your mind, because once you step out that gate, I'll be right behind you. Come now.
Just
come, please.
I can't face this anymore.
We'll sort out whatever it is.
Mom,
We'll sort it out. You're tougher than this. Come. Go. Come.
Hey, swallow your pride and follow her. Abigail just use one of her powers. When she will use Gandu and this on you, you will jump out from the roof. Obsessed human being.
but Mom, why do you always support him? Tell me why.
How?
But I mean, you were there. You were there when he slapped me. And you couldn't even say anything, Mom. Sometimes I feel you choose him over me.
Kristen, look at me. Look at me. I will never, ever choose a man over you. You are the most important thing in my life, and nothing will take that place. He wanted to hit you a second time, and I stopped him. this isn't about taking sides. It's about the fact that you lack discipline. He was trying to discipline you, and there's nothing wrong with that. You can't go around disrespecting people. You're an African child, and those are not our values. Whenever Abigail comes to you with her problems, trying to provoke you, avoid her. I'll deal with Abigail myself. And please, don't ever put me in a position to choose between you and my man again.
Abigail.
What's all this? What's going on? Why are you not getting along with Kristen?
How is it my fault? How did I enter this matter now?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What is all this? What's all this? Look, you're giving me headache. You're giving me serious headache. I'm telling you.
How? What have I done?
Okachuku, bring your voice down. Was that for me?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okachuku, get along. I'm telling you, get along. Behave yourself and get along. Get along. If not, I'll send you back. I'll send you back to the household. Get along. Get along.
I should get along with somebody I don't know. Am I the one that asked you to bring your girlfriend and his son to this house? This my daddy can misbehave sometimes. You're threatening me. You're threatening me to send me back. Oh, yeah, send me back. Now everybody will go back. I'll tell Uncle Nandi that you brought your girlfriend to his house. If I'm going down, everybody will go down with me. I will not go down alone. All of us will go down. Nonsense. You're telling me. What is it my business? How is it my fault? Yeah, if he doesn't want to get along, nah.
If my son doesn't feel comfortable here, that will make me uncomfortable too. If he leaves, I will leave as well.
Please don't. Let's not go that route, please. Don't let this separate us, please.
He does not feel welcome here. And his concerns are valid. Your daughter seizes every opportunity to remind him that this is her father's house.
It's okay. It's all right. Listen, I'll handle my daughter, okay? Everything will be fine. Just, please, don't let this separate us. Come on now.
Put your daughter in check. Because next time she makes him feel that way, we will leave.
Excuse me. Why are you always being disrespectful to my father?
Hey, listen, I'm gonna call you back later, alright?
Christian, I'm talking to you.
Are you alright? What is your problem? How dare you talk to me like that? Mind your words. Mind your words. Moreover, you are the architect of the problems in this house.
Don't tell me that.
You are! Next time you stop me and talk to me in this manner again, you will see what I will do to you.
Christian, you will listen to me. You are not mates with my father. Have you ever seen me disrespect your mom? So why are you always disrespecting my dad?
Be careful with your words. I don't want to lose it. Do you understand? Rubbish.
Could I be the cause of everything going on in this house? How? So guys, it's your girl AB55 here, and today I'll be joining the latest TikTok dance challenge, and I can't wait for you all to see my beautiful dance moves. So let's go.
Abigail.
Eh? I'll join you
Join me
soon.
in the kitchen now.
I'll join you soon. I'm busy.
It's like you didn't hear me. I said join me in the kitchen now.
Can't you see that I'm trying to make a video for my fans? Miss Elizabeth, I said I would join you after I'm done making the video.
So I'll be in the kitchen cooking while you're here shaking your butt for your fans. Hello, whoever is there watching her, she can't cook. She cannot cook. You want me to disgrace you? Hello, she can't cook.
What is happening?
Daddy?
Yes.
Daddy? She won't allow me make a video for my fans at AB55 on TikTok. They're waiting for me. Look at them. She said I should not make a video.
Wait. You're making a video?
Yes, for my fans. AB55 on TikTok.
Wait. And after the video, we expect to eat. Right?
Of course. I'm going to eat. I'll be needing food.
You'll be needing food.
Yeah.
After this silly video, you'll be needing food.
Daddy, those are my fans. My fan base. Okay, fine. You know what? I won't eat your food.
I don't care if you will eat or not. You will join me in this kitchen and we will cook.
That is so not happening. That is so not happening.
Please shut up. How dare you? No, how dare you not? I mean, look at the way you're even dancing in front of me. For who? Look.
Dad! My
If you don't want me to break this nonsense, you get into that kitchen right now. I will break this rubbish. Get into that kitchen.
You're welcome. It's okay. Your daughter can be a handful. Hmm? Let me
Fans.
something for you.
Can you imagine the nonsense? Will you? And you, who are you? No, who are you? No, don't you have a job? Are you job? Are you just jobless to be here? My friend, come on, get out of here. Who are you? Come, who is this boy? Who is this boy?
Sir, I'm sincerely sorry for my actions. I've just realized that I've been so disrespectful to you, sir. I came to apologize for my misconduct. Sir, I know I deserve whatever punishment meted at me. It's fine, I know that you've been trying to guide me to become a better person. So please, sir, I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. I deserve any punishment meted at me. Anything, I'll follow.
Christian, stand up.
Sir,
Stand up.
thank you, sir.
Sit down.
Sir?
Sit.
Okay.
I am glad that you have accepted your mistakes. I'm very glad, which is what I wanted. That is the only thing I wanted. You see, I know all your utterances are because of Abigail. But I'm saying right now, forgive her. Because I have forgiven you too. Just let it go. Because I have forgiven you. However, anytime you have a problem with an elderly person, what you do is not talk back. Say nothing. In that heated moment, just leave. Leave the place. And then when things calm down, you come back. And then tell that person how the person's utterances affected you. And that way, that person will respect you too for your views. Okay? It's called growing up, right?
Thank you very much, Uncle. I'm grateful. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
But my bum bum is not even big, and you guys are complaining that my bum bum is big from the last video. Guys, you know what? The next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to be twerking all throughout. So we'll really see if my bum bum is big, because I don't think I have big bum. Like, I got guys telling me all the time that your bum is big, but I've never really thought about it if I have big bum. So guys, I'll be in the comment section. Let me know what you think, okay? Mwah.
Abigail,
Oh. Hi.
you know you're a very beautiful girl.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're beautiful and intelligent.
I know.
And I believe you're very creative. You're capable of creating content that will keep your audience glued without twerking, shaking your backside, showing off parts of your body, which should be kept private. You know the funny thing about your so-called fans, the people hailing you when you do those things, saying, "Work it, baby, you go, girl." The thing is, they would never, ever allow their sisters or daughters do those things you do. But they love looking out for people who do it. And then they go to their houses and laugh about the foolishness of those who think they look good doing it. You are diamond. Don't throw yourself to the pigs in the mud. You are worth much more than that. There's so many things you can use to create content. You could show you and your classmates discussing some of your subjects, the pros and the cons. You can even show yourself preparing an African dish. Lots of people love to watch food content. You'll be surprised how much better you can do.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
You know, I've been thinking seriously, and I've come to the conclusion that we are actually an integral part of our children's problems.
Part of the children's problems. How?
I mean, we have to stop this favoritism and, you know, treat them equally, love them equally.
I still don't understand.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is this, okay? You see, when we make utterances like, you know, when we say your son, my daughter, your daughter, my son, those statements actually shows, you know, favoritism, and it draws some kind of line. And indeed, we just have to stop that and just address them by their names.
I think you're right. Calling Christian my son and Abigail your daughter, it's like drawing a line.
Exactly. Exactly. And speaking of Kristen, I had a very interesting discussion with him.
Mm.
Yes, a very interesting discussion, and indeed he's quite an interesting young man. You know,
Tell me about it.
really. I mean, he came to apologize to me. I looked into him. I saw the sincerity in his apology, and then we went further to discuss, you know, goals, careers. He says he wants to be an engineer.
Yes, he's always wanted to be an engineer, but recently he's been distracted. All these friends that he follows. Now all he does is learn how to be a Yahoo boy.
Fraudsters.
I just hope that now we've changed the environment, he'll stay focused on his dreams. And
Yeah, well, of course he will. Just give him some time, okay?
I hope so.
I know so. Now let me get you your juice. Yeah, I know you don't drink alcohol. Don't like alcohol, I do that what?
Stop spoiling me.
What is it? You trying to be, why are you shouting? What happened?
So this is what you now do.
What do you mean, what am I doing?
What are you are smoking.
Huh? What is your problem? Did you see me smoking?
The whole world will hear this. The whole world will hear this. And after your mother will be calling me the wayward child.
Let me tell you something. Don't even involve my mother in this. What is your problem? How dare you call my mother into me?
Onyibo, smoker.
I will not you.
Smoker.
Did you just see me
Trust me now. You are a smoker.
Did you just see me smoking?
You are a smoker.
Come on, keep quiet.
Oh, you smoke. You are a smoker. Smoker. Oh, smoker.
Keep your mouth shut. Come on, keep quiet.
Leave me alone.
Is something wrong with you? Can't you just keep quiet?
You're a smoker. So you smoke. Christian, you smoke.
Don't let anybody know about this. It's not like I'm a smoker. I'm just trying to practice some certain things. I don't smoke. How can I be smoking?
You don't smoke.
No, I don't smoke.
You don't smoke at all.
Smoke, yeah.
You go explain tire. You go explain tire. Christian, you go explain tire. Let me go to my. Call me.
Abigail.
Smoker.
Abigail.
Smoker.
Abigail.
Hey, Onyibo.
Well, the reason I called for this meeting is due to the fact that a lot has been happening. We're supposed to be a family, but like I said, a lot has been happening. Myself and Elizabeth here are in a relationship, and you're our children, and we're all under the same roof. The love from us has to transcend to you, and you ricochet the love back at us. But still, like I said, a lot has been happening. Both of you live like cats and rat, which I don't understand. But it has to stop. This has to be a house of love. Again, certain utterances have to stop. I don't want to hear, or we don't want to hear, things like your father, your mother, your son, your daughter. We don't want to hear that. Those have to stop. And in our respect, we must be addressed as, I repeat, as Dad and Mom. Are we clear on that? Are we clear on that? Kristen? Abigail? Okay. Does anybody have anything to say?
Yes, Daddy. I have something that is very, very important to say.
Okay.
Well, can I go to bed now? Please?
Okay.
All right. Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom.
Mom, I think I have to go to bed now.
Kristen, what's going on? What is it that Abigail wanted to say?
I don't know, Mom. How am I supposed to know what she has in her mind? I just have to go to bed now. Good night. Good night, Dad.
These two are hiding something.
Exactly. I mean, both of them behave like cat and mouse and now they are keeping secrets.
They're up to something.
I hope these kids don't try to play us like chess.
Hi.
What do you want?
Nothing. I realized that you didn't report to anyone that you caught me smoking yesterday.
And you wish I did?
Of course not. I was surprised because I thought you hated me so much.
Listen, don't try to insinuate that I love you. Okay?
You're funny. I didn't say that. But come to think of it, if you don't hate me, that means you love me, right?
Don't get too excited.
Oh.
I noticed we are the only reason our parents have not been happy. And Dad was trying to resolve us yesterday. So it wouldn't make any sense to hit up things again. That's the only reason I didn't complain.
That's true. Well, I also want to say thank you.
Don't thank me. You owe me one. A big one. And maybe if we stop fighting, they will be happier.
Yeah, that's true. So what you're insinuating right now is that we're cool friends, right?
Me, friends with you.
Huh?
Come down from your high horses, please. I'll think about that, but first you have to stop smoking.
Okay.
You have to stop smoking.
Try. You're looking so pretty today.
Thank you.
Can we live as one big happy family, loving one another and happy with ourselves? Can we learn to live in peace without fighting? We can make a happy family under the God. If we can believe, we can achieve everything that we want. Let's stop this fighting and this separation. We can live like one big family, united, bonded in strong love. Together we go jolly. Yes, we can live like one big family, in unity, in peace and harmony, and we be happy to.
Oh, come on, there's more. There's still more.
It's fine, Dad. I'm watching my weight, so you can have it.
You're watching your weight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes. Bring it on. Me, I'm not watching my weight. Yes.
Well, as far as in the end you don't have ulcer, then that's fine.
So, a lot of mates don't give us up.
Exactly.
Sweetie, you know you can still eat and burn it out later. You don't need to give him everything, all your meat.
Bring it on.
No, ma'am. It's fine. He can have it.
Just bring it.
Here.
Why?
So you have something to play football.
Okay. Yes.
So you get better at it. So like the one that you were showing me in that video.
Yes, I know.
You didn't know how to pass the ball properly, so you just moving around.
Which I didn't know how to pass the
You
ball
literally moving around in circles. Like, should I tell you about it?
Honey,
Yes.
have you noticed the closeness between Christian and Abigail lately?
So what about it?
It's that closeness now. It's getting me worried.
What's the problem? You're not happy that they're getting along?
I am, but they are young people and now they're liking each other.
I don't understand.
Are you trying to say you don't understand what I'm saying? You've forgotten that they're not related by blood.
And so?
Please stop insinuating nonsense. Just stop. Just stop there. Just stop.
Hey, see, let me tell you, this is what I was trying to let you know. See now.
Is this you?
It's me now.
You know how to play ball?
Before Uncle, you think I don't know how to play ball? Is it because I stopped playing football? That's what makes you feel like I don't know how to play football? See now.
Hey, you scored though.
Now. So why are you acting like you don't know I know how to play football?
I didn't know you know how to play football.
You didn't know I know how to play football. See your mouth. Come on, let me see your phone. Let me see what you're doing. Let me see.
You know, I'm very popular on Instagram and TikTok. AB55.
Let me see.
I have like 500,000 Instagram followers.
Whoa. Let me see.
And I got all these from my dance moves. My special
500,000.
dance
That's
moves.
true. Oh my goodness. Wait. So, you won't tell me now that you know how to dance, Abby?
Yes, no.
Are you the one dancing like this?
I'm the one.
You're dancing like a peacock.
Jesus. I don't know how to dance.
It's not like you don't know how to dance. Just look at the way you're shaking your this thing. Yeah? You just dance like a peacock.
Christian, I don't know how to dance. I'm dancing like a peacock.
What do you want to do?
Eh?
What?
I'm dancing like a peacock.
You're not listening to me.
Why them? I mean, they're just kids.
They're just kids.
Yes.
These fully grown-up humans, you're calling them kids.
Stop sinking ideas into your head. They're just kids. Let them be kids.
I'm not comfortable. I'm just having this feeling.
What feeling?
Look at how he was making her laugh now.
Please, let me just get you something to drink. Please, stop thinking rubbish. These are young little children. Please, let them be. I'm just getting acquainted. That's it.
What's going on? What happened? Why are you putting a sad face? What's going on?
I don't like them.
You don't like
I don't like those boys.
Oh, those boys? Why? I don't know them.
Listen, those boys are bad boys. They have a very terrible reputation in this whole neighborhood.
Oh, yeah, that's true. See, listen, they're not my friends, all right? They're just people I know, and I had to greet them, nothing else.
I don't care who they are. But I want you to stop associating with them.
Okay, fine. I am not going to talk to them again, it's a promise. Is that why you're angry? Huh? Hey, come on. You know I don't want to see you angry like this. Let's go. Let's go.
You've always wanted to become an engineer?
Yeah, but I had to change my focus on other things that can give me quick money.
Other things like Yahoo.
Listen, I have always wanted to make a lot of money. A whole lot of money. Trillions of dollars. So...
But trust me, surely there are other ways to make money. Other legal means. You can't depend on building an empire from scamming people. There are other things you could do.
Listen, I know, but the economy of this country, you have to work a whole lot before you could achieve that, before you could make Lego money. But the thing is that I just wanted to make a lot of money any quick way so that I can be able to take care of you, most especially you and my mom.
Question, stop. It's not enough excuse
But
to be
that's the
scamming
truth.
people.
It's not called scamming.
Yeah, it's called Yahoo. Very soon you go turn to Yahoo Plus.
Hey, come on, it hasn't gotten to that.
Yeah, but at the same time, you can't forget that you are smart, you are handsome, you're intelligent, and you are good looking. There are other things you can venture in life. There are other legal businesses that you could do to earn money. Besides, anything you set your mind to, you could do that.
Yeah, that's true.
So please, promise me that you make us proud and become an engineer.
Engineer.
Yes.
Oh, it's fine. I've heard you.
Good.
But tell me, what about you? Tell me, what do you want to be? A social media influencer, right?
Yeah.
AB
55 all the way.
So why don't you become a doctor?
Oh, come on. Being a social media influencer is legal. And at least people make a lot of money from it.
That means it's still the same social media thing, no? I still want to become. We are into social media work.
No.
Okay, you
my
become
work is different from your work.
You become a doctor, I'll become an engineer.
No.
Then there's no, it's the same thing.
Christian!
That is it. You become a doctor, then I'll be an engineer. It's fine.
There's no way you're telling me.
So let's go into social media.
What is it?
Nothing. I am just blessed to have you as a sister.
Why do you say that?
You know, you're such a beautiful girl and nice as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. I don't know why you staring at me like that. What happened? I didn't say anything wrong.
No, you didn't say anything.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Anything? Any joke I should share? Something I should know?
Nothing.
No, Mom.
No, Mom.
Nothing.
Yes.
This
is doing my TikTok.
TikTok.
Yes. TikTok. Yeah. TikTok.
So nothing I should know.
Nothing.
You're following me on TikTok, right? At AB55. If you're not following me on TikTok, you're so missing out. You should follow me.
Very interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Kristen, I want to see you.
Ma? Mom, I don't know why you're asking me this question. I told you, nothing is going on between Abigail and I. We're just close.
Kristen, I was once your age, oh, and I understand that eye contact I saw between you two.
So, what you're trying to say is that we are not supposed to look at each other.
There's a difference between looking and eye contact. What I saw was eye contact.
Oh. Mom, just take it off your mind. There is nothing going on between us. Nothing.
There'd better be nothing, no. Kristen, there'd better be nothing, no. Huh?
What happened?
Listen, my mom, she was asking me a series of questions. I think she's suspecting us.
How?
I don't know. She was just asking me a series of questions that I could not even answer.
God, this is bad. How? What did you do?
Okay, fine. The thing is that your dad and your mom, they are suspecting something is going on between us. And what are we going to do right now?
So does that mean that you don't like me again?
Oh, come on. You know I love you, right? But the thing is that we need to be careful. I don't want them to suspect us. Come here. I need to go now.
Don't leave me now.
Hey,
Stay small.
I have to go.
Okay.
Be careful. Come. Oh, okay, and yeah, that's it. Wait, let me see. Okay, it says logic is the study of correct reasoning, especially as it involves the drawing of interference. I told you this thing.
Okay, in all, I could say logic is a great way of reasoning based on good judgments.
Yeah, it says, but at some point, it could be like you see why they said correct reasoning.
Okay.
Yeah, but some people might sound incorrect and still make sense in whatever they're saying.
Yeah.
And you know who I'm trying to.
Polycarp, for example.
How did you know I was going to say his name?
He's literally the most annoying person we have in this house.
Yeah, but he's friendly though.
Yeah, he's friendly, but
hey. Yeah.
thanks for agreeing to tutor me. It means a lot. Like,
it's fine.
My dad doesn't have time to do all this.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Thank you.
You look very pretty whenever you smile.
Really?
Just smile again.
Oh man, you worry too much. No, seriously, you do worry too much. I'm telling you. Look, there's nothing to be worried about. I mean, they're just bonding naturally. Naturally, like brother and sister. That's it. Look, just calm down and stop this, okay? You're the same person who has been complaining that they've been living like cats, dogs, rats. That's what you've been complaining, and now they're bonding, you're complaining again? Come on, isn't this what we've always wanted?
I know, but it's too much for my liking. Huh? They're too close for my liking. Just join me now. Join me and pay closer attention to them. Huh?
This is really join you. In being an investigative police officer. Oh God. Okay, no problem. This is really funny. No problem. I'll add this to my day job of joining you to investigate them for 1 week.
Better.
1 week.
I'm happy now. Better.
You're happy now? So won't this investigative police officer eat?
Tell me what kind of life is this? They gradually getting out of hand. Yes, we still love each other, but not be this kind of love. Oh, tell me what kind of love is this? It should be brotherly love, but now I not come understand. Oh, where the love carry they go, there's no longer siblings love. No,
Jesus.
there is something
Abigail, what are you doing in my room? How did you get in here?
Can't sleep.
You can't sleep. Why? Why can't you sleep? What happened?
So I can't come to your room again.
No, it's not like you can't come into my room. What if our parents get to find out that you're in my room by this time of the night? You know, they'll start thinking something else.
They're not here.
What if they wake up?
They will wake up. I want to sleep in my room.
It's not like I don't want you to sleep. I'm just trying to be careful.
Should I go?
No. I don't want you to go. Just that I'm being careful. Okay, fine. Sleep now. Just sleep.
Hey, tell me what kind of love is this? This gradually getting out of hand. Yes, we still love each other, but not be this kind of love. Oh, tell me what kind of love.
What? What?
Sir, no, sir.
Kristen!
Daddy.
Kristen!
Sir.
In my house!
No, sir. Sir, it's not what you think.
No, what she doing here?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, she came.
She came? You brought my daughter into your room!
No, I didn't bring her into my room.
You brought my daughter into your
No,
room!
sir, I didn't bring her into my room.
And what's she doing here?
I came on my own.
She came on your own?
Yes.
What, are you here to corrupt her?
No, sir, she said
Under my own roof?
No, sir, please. She said she couldn't sleep. That was why she came to my room.
She couldn't sleep.
Yes, Daddy, I
You couldn't sleep.
Yes.
You couldn't sleep.
That's why I
Then
came.
you brought her here. As a therapist.
No.
As a sleep therapist.
She came on my room.
You brought my daughter into this place
no.
to corrupt my daughter.
Daddy.
You.
No, sir, please.
You. Nothing happens. Get out this way. Get out here. Nothing happens. You brought my. Leave this place. You.
Sir, nothing happened. Sir, nothing happened.
Let's say something, eh?
Yes, sir.
First thing in the morning. You understand me? First thing in the morning. Okay?
You know nothing
You're
happened.
leaving this house.
Sir.
You understand? You're leaving this house. First thing in the
I
morning.
swear to God, nothing.
First thing in the morning. You're leaving this house.
Sir, please, it's not what you did. Hey, Jesus, I did not do anything now.
In this house. In this house.
Kristen.
I mean, only God knows how long this has been going on. In this house.
Mom, I didn't do anything. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Will you shut up? I said, shut up! I mean, you need to have seen how both of them were holding themselves to sleep in this house.
No, please, I don't want that image in my head. Hi, Kristen.
Not only Christian, who can... Abigail!
Daddy, please, nothing happened. I swear. We didn't do anything. It's not what you think.
Nothing happened. It's not what he thinks. What are you thinking that he's thinking that didn't happen?
Mom, you need to believe me. Nothing happened. She only came to my room and because she couldn't sleep. That was why she came to my room. And nothing happened.
Oh, she couldn't sleep in her room. Then suddenly she could sleep in your room. Ibaya injection. What exactly did you do to her that made her sleep? Sleep therapist.
Mom, nothing happened.
Mommy, please. Please don't blame him. I'm the one at fault. I'm the one that actually went to his room. He didn't do anything. Please put the blame on me. He didn't force me.
You people are still... What is this? What is this? What is this?
Dad, please believe me. I swear nothing happened. Hey, Daddy, please. I'm sorry. We didn't do anything. Everything is my fault. Daddy, please. Daddy, please believe me. Daddy.
Kristen, it's just you and me here now. No one else. I want you to talk to me. I am your mother. I cannot throw you away. No matter what happens, I will remain your mother. Tell me now, Gwamezioku, what happened?
Nothing happened, Mom. I will tell you nothing but the truth. I was sleeping and I heard a knock at my door. And when I opened it, it happens to be Abigail. So she told me that she could not sleep. That she wants to spend some time in my room. And that was how we slept off.
Hi.
Nothing happened.
Even one baby. Eh? A girl came to knock on your door. Give me puzzle. Whoa! Just like that. Eh? So if she told you to set fire to the room, you will set fire. Okay, now, nothing happened. But her father said he came in and saw you two wrapped around each other. Tell me, do you have feelings for this girl? I've been asking you over and over again, and you keep denying it. Tell me, is there any affection between you two?
Yes.
Yes, as in, yes, you have feelings that is not brother and sister feelings. Hey.
Yes, Mom. I have feelings for her. But Mom, despite the fact that we have feelings for each other, there was nothing. Nothing happened. Mom, you know me very well that if there was anything, you will be the first to know about it.
Kristen, you love her.
So I can no longer trust you. Huh? No, I can no longer trust you. I can no longer trust you. Huh? And I thought you were an innocent girl. So that boy has come here to spoil you, right? Huh?
Dad, nothing happened. Christian is a nice person. I went to his room.
To do what?
On my own.
Shut up! To do what? Don't you have your own room? Don't you have your own room?
I couldn't sleep.
What do you mean you couldn't sleep? What do you mean you couldn't sleep? You're not protecting him, right? Huh? Then what? Listen, tell me, I am your father. Tell me. You must tell me. He has been telling you some nice things, right? Eh? He has been telling you some sweet rubbish. Like, I like you. I want you. I need you. I love you, right?
No, he hasn't told me anything like that.
Then what has he been telling you?
Dad, I know he loves me and I love him too.
Kachuku, what did you say? Eh? Wait, hold on. What kind of love are we talking about here? Are we talking about brother and sister love? Because that's the love I understand.
No, Daddy, I have feelings for him, like deep, actual feelings. I'm in love with him.
Kachuku, are you okay?
Daddy, I can't help it. I love him. I love him so much.
Kachuku, this is your brother.
Step brother. We're not related by blood, so I can love him.
I mean, can you just imagine? No, can you imagine that these children were never quarreling? They made us believe that they were always quarreling, but the plan was for us not to suspect them.
I think you're right.
Of course I am right. I am right. I am right. Can you imagine? Imagine. My daughter looked me straight in the eye and told me that she has feelings for Kristen.
Really?
Of course. And that Kristen feels the same way about her too.
Kristen told me the same thing. Huh? That he has feelings for her and that she has feelings for him.
Are you serious? Ha. No. Can you imagine? Abigail looked me in the eye and was telling me all this, and I told her, I said, look, my daughter, both of you are siblings. And she said, no. She said, no, they're not siblings. That he's her stepbrother. And that they don't have blood relationship and they are free to express themselves anyhow and they have affections for each other.
My goodness, I don't know.
I don't understand. I don't understand how can I be dating the mother and the son wants to do, but I can't even say this rubbish. Look, listen, look.
What do we do now? What do we do?
This boy has corrupted my daughter, and please, it will be disastrous for this boy to be under the same roof with us. Christian has to go. Yes, he has to go. Yes, because Christian being under the same roof with us is disaster. Yes, he's a man. He has started doing what men do, so he can take care of himself. I'm sure he'll be fine. Okay, but Christian cannot be under the same roof with us. It is impossible. Because he has spoiled my daughter in less than how many weeks? How many weeks? No. He has to go. Let him just go. He cannot be here. No. I'm doing more than this boy wants to attempt what rubbish. No, he has to go now. You understand me, right?
Listen, I have to leave. I just have to go.
No. You won't go anywhere.
No. I just need to go. Your dad, they don't believe us. Let me just go so there will be peace in this house.
No. I already told my dad the truth. I told him that I'm in love with you.
What?
Why are you looking at me like that? Don't you feel the same way?
I told my mom that I'm in love with you as well. But I have to go. So there will be peace in this house. I want you to be at peace with your dad.
They can't stop us. They can't kill our love. Please, don't allow them kill our love.
I love you, Abigail.
I love you too.
I want you to know that no matter what happens, nothing can separate us. Just put yourself together and be good. And always know that it's together forever.
Daddy, why? Why is Christian leaving?
Well, he brought this upon himself.
Daddy, please now. Where will he stay?
I've thought about that before touching you.
Daddy, he didn't touch me. We didn't do anything.
Did you say you didn't do anything? Then what position did I catch two of you? In what position? No, don't tell me. Huh? Of course he's a man, okay? So if he found a way to touching you, he should find his way out of this house.
Daddy, Christian is such a nice person.
Ukachuku, please. Please. Leave my presence.
Daddy.
I said leave my presence!
If Christian leaves this house, I'll leave. I can't live without Christian.
Park there.
Polycarp. Polycarp, how are you?
Oga, hi. I am not fine. Hey, Oga, did you actually...
I don't understand what is going on with you, Polycarp. Is there a situation? Is there a problem?
There's no problem. It's just that we were expecting you next 2 months. I don't know that you'll come this early. But I swear.
That's fine. Is my brother inside?
No, we have some guest artists, wonderful actors that are performing in a very large way on the stage. You will like it.
I don't have this time, Polycarp. Let's just go inside. Young man, Polycarp will come back to settle you, yeah? You just be patient a little, huh?
Okay, sir.
That's it.
Right, okay. So come back tomorrow next.
Will you behave yourself? Get your hands off his bag! I said, get your hands!
Elizabeth, where are you going? What's with the bag?
I can't stay here when my son is leaving.
Mom, you don't have to go. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Just stay back, please. Please.
Look, you've heard him now. You've heard him. I mean, he's a big boy. He can handle himself.
I've told you before. If my son goes, I go. I cannot stay here without him.
Don't be like this. No.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Papa.
Are you stupid? And what's with that stupid bag? What's with the singing?
Original Oga just landed.
You said?
Celebrate grace.
You said?
Rejoice.
Nabdi, welcome.
What's going on here?
Yeah. You came back. I mean, you should have told me.
What's going on here?
Everything's good. Everything's all right. Everything's good. So how is everybody?
Well, good. What's going on here?
Yeah.
Okachuku, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Who are these people?
Let's go up first of all. Okay?
Who are these people in my house?
Your house? Jerome.
Yeah. Can we just go upstairs first of all?
Hold on. I'm asking, what's up with the accent? Who are these people? What's up? Have you sold my house?
No. Why am I going to do that? No. Why would I even do that? No, now. Why would I do that? I'm not going to do that. Okay, the truth is, this is Elizabeth. What's that your name again?
No need for the introductions. Sir, I'm sorry for the confusion. We're on our way out.
Hey!
Lizzie.
No! You're not going anywhere.
Asjona.
No, you're not going anywhere.
What you doing?
Daddy, please! I want my Christian!
I feel you'll be in the best position to tell me what is going on here. What's the drama all about?
You see this your brother? This your brother is a wonderful actor. You see this one when you just do pray me and damn shit. This is just the prayer, but the beginning. If he start unfolding himself, you will be shocked. Okay, continue. You're a wonderful actor. Continue. So you don't have to talk again. More like that.
Can we live as one big happy family, loving one another and happy with ourselves? Can we learn to live in peace without fighting? We can make a happy family, bonded in love. If we can believe, we can achieve everything that we want. Let's stop this fighting and this separation. We can live like one big family, united, bonded in strong love. Together we go jolly. Yes, we can live like one big family, in unity, in peace and harmony, and we be happy together. as one big happy family, loving one another and happy with ourselves. Can we learn to live in peace without fighting? We can make a happy family, bonded in love. If we can believe, we can achieve everything that we want. Let's stop this fighting and this separation. We can live like one big family, united, bonded in strong love. Together we go jolly. Yes, we can live like one big family, in unity, in peace and harmony, and we be happy together.
Mom,
Oh. Why aren't you sleeping?
I woke up and I couldn't sleep anymore, Mom. By the way, it's late already, so why are you not sleeping, Mom?
I'll go to bed soon. Don't worry about me. Go to bed.
Alright. Mom, is everything alright?
Fine.
Mom, I want you to know that nothing happened between Abigail and I.
Are we still on this matter? We would have had to leave the house anyway.
I just want you to believe me. I didn't do anything.
I believe you now. I am so sorry I didn't believe you before. Now go to bed.
Okay, just put yourself together and go to bed. Mom. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Kristen. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Is your mother around?
Let me inform her that you're around.
Thank you.
Sir, I just want to let you know that I didn't do anything with your daughter.
Okay. Please, can we just go in and talk?
Talk about more lies?
I really wanted to tell you. Seriously, I wanted to, but...
Kept information from me. You claimed your brother's property as yours. To me! Who does that? You lied to me. I put it to you that you never loved me.
No, please don't say those.
I was busy before you came here. I need to get back to what I was doing.
No, please.
Have a nice day.
Seriously, I loved you. I love you. I love you.
I'm really, really sorry. I'm sorry I kept such a huge information from you.
It's okay. You see, it wasn't up to you for you to disclose such information to me. It's up to your father. But it's fine. It's okay.
I think he was just trying so hard to impress you more.
Impress my mom.
Mm.
You see? I see the difference between them and us. I didn't have to impress you to be here.
So, are we still step siblings?
Step siblings. Well, it depends on the level your dad.
Are you trying to say my dad knows Sabi one woman?
That's not what I meant. Not waiting I mean, no. See, the thing is that the dad was at our place yesterday. So I was expecting him to use some, as a guy now, he was supposed to use some kind of skills, but he didn't. He messed up. Normal thing,
I love you, Christian. I really do.
I love you. I love you with my life. I possibly can't imagine my life without you.
My brother, I know there's nothing I will say to justify what I did. I have been stupid. I have been foolish. I have been childish. I have been selfish. But in all, from the depth of my heart, I am sorry. I am sorry. I ask for forgiveness today because I am sorry.
Did you even think about this thing? Did you even think about, what if I came back with my family? Did you think about the embarrassment this would have cost us? I mean, we have other houses. There are many other houses that we have that you can pull up this. But why did you choose this house?
My brother Namdi, please. Inside my foolishness, I still have conscience. You know the other houses you're talking about are houses you use for business. I'm the caretaker of those houses, yes. But I will not stop your business. These are houses you use for lease and for Airbnbs. I can't stop that. I cannot. So I decided to use this one, that you're not using for business. But still, I am not right. I am wrong. And I am saying I'm sorry. All I ask right now is for forgiveness. Please. Please. Biko. Please. Please. I'm sorry.
No problem. That's fine. That's fine.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. But there's still more because I'm displaced. I'm confused. I'm floating. I don't even know what is wrong with me. You see, you know my story. Since my wife died, I've not been lucky with women. Even you yourself, you told me I should stop chasing younger girls. That's not what I need. I need somebody much more mature. And I've never been lucky with them. So I took your advice and I said, okay, fine, let me pitch my tent somewhere else. Let me, look out for somebody older, somebody who is also a mother that I felt could, help me take care of Ukachuku as well. And I found Elizabeth. Yes. But, see, right?
Hold on first. This woman in question, she doesn't even love you from what I saw. She doesn't even love you. I believe that she actually came in here with you because of the material things that you probably splashed on her. I don't get. She has a grown son. So she only came here to rip you off whatever thing you can offer her.
No. She's not like that. She's not like that too. She's not like that. Do you know that this woman hasn't asked me for a pin? Even when I offer to drop her off at work, she will say no. Drop her off in the market, she will say no. She wants to use public transport. Take her out to go and eat somewhere, she says no. She would prefer to cook at home and come back. No. If it's that one, I know she is somebody who loves me. It's just that I messed up. And that's why I need your help. I need your help, seriously.
I don't understand. You need my help? How? What? I mean, with what?
I need you to help me marry her.
Hmm? Hello? Anyone home? Hello? Hello, good evening, Miss Elizabeth.
Aren't you Jerome's brother?
Yes. My name is Nnamdi. I am Jerome's younger brother. Miss Elizabeth, can I have a moment of your time?
Okay, I'm listening.
I know you must be seriously upset at this time. I understand. But on behalf of my brother, I want to use this opportunity to say that we are sorry. We are sorry. I am sorry. He is sorry for trying to get your attention with what is not his. You see, one thing I must tell you, which is the very truth, is my elder brother Jerome is so in love with you. He's genuinely in love with you. I can actually say that he's madly in love with you. He loves you so much. I believe that why he actually lied to you was because he actually does not want to lose you. Please, since he lost his wife, he has never admitted to me or anyone else that there's anybody qualified to fit into that position until he met you. When my other brother met you, he said to me, he confided in me so much that you are the only person who could actually fit into that position. And I must tell you, he sent me, genuinely from his heart, he said, I should please ask you if you can get married to him.
I'm actually here. Elizabeth, please. From the bottom of my heart, I say I'm sorry. I am so sorry. So sorry. See, I'm sorry for putting up all the fronts. I was actually scared I was going to lose you.
You made me feel something. Something I've not felt in a long time. You made me feel loved again. After so long. These few weeks of living together, I fell in love with you.
Then why don't we just do this, please? In my true elements, I'm telling you, please. Just marry me, please.
I can't! Who will I be marrying? What version will I be marrying? I don't even know you. I don't know anything about you. I don't even know what you do for a living.
I am just a caretaker. I am a caretaker. That's who I am. I'm not here to pretend or throw out any flaws. I'm a caretaker to some of my brother's properties, and indeed I went to school. I'm not going to lie. I did. I've never been abroad before. Even though I worked for a white man for a bit, I just mastered the art of mimicking them just for fun. And
why didn't you just tell me all that? Why didn't you just tell me who you really are? Do you think I was looking for all those material things? Do you think I was looking for money? I just wanted your heart, but it's covered in lies. I don't even know where the heart is.
I'm sorry, and I tell you today, I stand on this today in front of my brother, in front of God, and I'm telling you for real, I am sorry and I do love you. You're what I want. You're what I desire.
This is too much for me. I need time to process it. My head is full. I need time to process all this. I need time to think. Please, don't leave me to think.
We'll give you time to think. But please, while at it, understand that he's so sorry. Understand that he's genuinely in love with you. Understand that you are only that perfect woman who could fill in the position that is vacuum in his life.
Please, I'm sorry.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Abigail. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm looking for Christian. Is he?
Come in. Just come, let's talk. Let's talk. Christian isn't in. I sent him out on an errand.
Okay, fine. I'll wait for him.
Sure. But you do know that you two cannot be together.
Why? Ma, we love each other.
Your father and I are getting married. You two will officially become step-siblings. You can't be together.
Ma, Christian and I are not related by blood. So there's absolutely nothing wrong in us having an affair.
Your father and I will soon be husband and wife. How will it sound that our kids are in love?
Regardless of how it sounds. Ma, I love Christian with all my heart. I love your son. Ma, please, don't deny me this right. Don't deny me my love.
That is unacceptable. One of us will have to give up their feelings, and it will have to be you. Because your father and I met first. Besides, you two are too young to be talking about relationships. You should focus on your education. Between you and I, you are the one that has to bring things to an end. Tell Christian it can't work. You don't need to give him any particular reason. Just tell him you two can be together. And he doesn't need to know we had this conversation. Does that make sense to you?
Mom, what did you say to Abigail? She stopped taking my calls. As a matter of fact, Mom, I just found out that she blocked me on all social media platforms.
All this depression because of a girl. You should be focusing on your education.
That hasn't answered my question. What exactly did you say to Abigail?
I made her see reason why you two cannot be together. How do I explain it? That my son is dating the daughter of my husband.
Oh, now I see. You want us to sacrifice our love, our care, Mom, our relationship for your sake.
Yes.
Mom, that's selfish. You've just taken away the only one that makes me happy.
How can you say that? I'm here. I have always loved you, and I will always love you.
Mom, you're not understanding what I'm saying. I know you love me, Mom, but it's a clear difference from the feeling I have with Abigail, Mom. Okay, fine. You've wanted me to stop smoking. You craved so much for me to stop doing my illegal wars. But she spoke to me once, Mom, and I listened to her. Is that whom you're trying to take away from me? No, I just want to know, Mom. Good morning, Mom.
Do you really love her?
I love her with my life, Mom.
Then give me her number. Jerome, I want you to know I've been thinking. Been thinking about the beautiful moments we shared together. And I know for sure that I love you. I love you so much. And I want to do life with you. And I love our children. I love Kristen. And I've come to love Abigail like my own. I know you love our children too.
I do.
Our children have come to love each other very much. They are young. Their hearts are pure. Their love is true. We have to give them a chance. I've sacrificed so much for my son over the years. But this is the most difficult thing I've had to do for him. We can't be together, Jerome. We have to sacrifice our relationship for theirs. I'm sorry.
Hey, tell me what kind of love is this? Things gradually getting out of hand. Yes, we still love each other, but not be this kind of love. Oh, tell me what kind of love is this? It should be brotherly love, but now I not come understand. Oh, where the love carry you they go, there's no longer siblings love. No, there is something attached. I can see emotions falling. I can see love in their eyes. Their love is on fire, fire. Hey, fire, fire. They're on fire, fire. Oh yeah, their love is on fire, fire. Hey, fire, fire. They're on fire. getting out of hand. Yes, we still love each other, but love be this kind of love. Oh, tell me what kind of love is this? It should be brotherly love, but now I no come understand. Oh, where the love carry they go, there's no longer siblings love. No, there is something attached. I can see emotions falling. I can see love in their eyes. Their love is on fire, fire, hey, fire, fire. They're on fire, fire. Oh yeah, their love is on fire.